Masigi Sama Prasad Mukherjee ki 120 birthday anniversary Dayda Mayamda Bharat ki Miyam Punamak Manipuri Miyam Punamak aduga BJP ki Karyakarta Khudinmak Sangathan ki Mayamda Yaka Paujil Pijari Maram Dimasi nationalisms ki wakalon Chuma Bharat Dokiba aduga Bharat ki Apunma Saktam da Bharat Jamat to in the Legadam One India we give them heavy wakalon da Mapunsi become the kiba sacrifice of kiba adugumba amatanga Bharat ki leader ne na koi high with the Hyman Mathoy Maram di Article C70 ki matang da new constitution new flag ki matang da mana Kashmir sala ka kiba agitation aduga Kashmir makta da Srinagar magi punsi long kiba madugi wari mayam duna it proved that he is a real nationalist aduna I convey my happiness on his birthday magi remembering ningsangba aduga magi wakhalondu da khoi punna lehori ba khoi bharat basi punna mona chana na khona si survey team tharaktana DPR semba saba loina yamba process tawri but the things akhoi gi si am ro si lauthokraga BJP gi lauthokraga thabak tawba ana hojiki to DPR gi kari gi the process ta leibani na madu 5000 crore reserve toroga hojiki haiba ani sigi leire habidum di informal on the information later but lauthokpa bhumi puja tawba isi dai danga sagi concrete oina leira kana yamba tawbunina madugi potuma tawgodra tawrodra dumai haiba ngamde but tawbodu elevated highway aduga moirang imphal moirang roti package ani madi lauthokani imphal package ani madi pathokpagi lauthokani aduga full oina lauthokpagi duga elevated highway ki kisidi bhumi puja tawgodra tawrodra haiba duga final haiba ngamdri aduga mafam portion ani indi yaur